In this video I will show you how to create and execute your first Java program easily. Your program will print hello world and some message and then exit. Before we start, please check that you have Windows system, for instance, Windows 10 with Notepad editor or any other you like. For instance, Notepad++ is also a good choice, and you also need to have Java JDK installed on your computer that will execute and compile your programs. We use Java 16 JDK, but you can choose any you like. If you don't have JDK installed, just check my 3 minutes video about JDK installation. It will take not so much time to install it. I added the link with this video in description and here. You can choose any version of Java you like, but note, the process of files compilation is a bit different for Java 11 or higher. I will explain the difference in this video too. Hope on this step you have JDK installed on your computer or laptop. Let's open Notepad or any other editor. We will create HelloWorld class that prints hello world message to a console. Okay, let's start. Type public class HelloWorld. Then add public static void main with arguments. Yes, we can get arguments from command line. Let's print hello world message with System.out.println. I also want to print arguments. Don't worry about a for statement, it just iterates over our arguments. Now we are done. Save your file. Name of the file must be the same as the class name. Don't forget Java extension. Remember the path to the folder with the file. Done. Let's run our first program. We will use a command prompt window. To open it, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. Type CMD there and click the Enter key or click OK button. Now change your directory to the directory with your Java program. We will use cd command, type cd/d, then type your directory path, press the Enter key. Let's check that we have our file in the folder, type dir/b. B means that we don't want to show detailed information about the folder, then press Enter key. OK, our file is here. We can use this approach in any Java version. First we need to compile your Java file and then execute compiled class. Type javac, then your file name with a Java extension, then press Enter key. New file with a class extension was created. Then type java HelloWorld.class, space, it works, and press Enter key. It works. In Java 11 and higher it is a bit easy to execute your program. Type Java your class with Java extension, then press Enter key. It works, we did it. Join my channel, you will know lots of interesting things about programming. Press like if you liked the video